everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. I got inspired to do this project by, well, she's my neighbor. And somebody I met at my craft show this weekend, Chastity from Chastity's Craft Corner. So if you haven't followed her on Facebook, run over there and do that. She does some amazing vinyl, an amazing farmhouse. So this is a farmhouse inspired design that I'm going to show you how to do, inspired by her. Never made one of these before, but here goes. First of all, I started out with this is a Valentine's Day wreath, because I'm starting to do Valentine. This is the heart-shaped styrofoam, I think I got these at the Dollar Tree, frame. And then I've used 4 fat corners that I got after Valentine's Day. I've used 4 of them. And I cut them in 1/2 inch. I cut just a slit and then ripped 1/2 inch. And I did that for the whole, well, it'll be 4 yards when it gets, 4 fat corners when it gets done. And then I take the fat corner like this and I wrap it around the wreath frame and make sure right sides are up. And then just tie it onto the wreath form. And then I tie it again to make sure it stays. You don't want it to come untied. And then make sure they're all tight together, because you want it nice and full like this. You want it really nice and full. And you're thinking, well, what do I do with that after I get all that filled in? Then I took and I made a bow on the Easy Bow Maker. And this is with red swirl ribbon, some Valentine's Day ribbon. I added some yarn. I added 2 pieces of the fat corner that I ripped in the about 1/2 inch strip as loops. And I added 2 pieces into the tail. And then I also added some pearls, and I finished it with a brooch. Well, when I get done with my wreath and I get all that filled in, this will be added. Right here. And that will be my shabby chic farmhouse Valentine's Day wreath. Or if you didn't want to add it there, you could also put as easily and nicely put it down here. Whichever way you would want to put it. You could even put it to the side. But it's however you want to embellish it. And this is an idea for Valentine's Day, or Valentine's Day wreath, because I start selling Valentine's Day in December. So I need to get creating on Valentine's Day, which I know sounds really crazy since Christmas is not over. But I just thought I'd throw this little idea and tip out there. And if you do anything with this tip, don't be afraid to shoot me a picture. I'd love to see your work. Love to see what you came up with one of my ideas. It's fun to see other people, what they created from something, inspiration they got from me. Just like I'm doing with Chastity tonight. I'm shouting out to her because I got the inspiration from her. If you get inspiration from me, please shoot me a picture. I'd love to see your work. Love to see what you came up with from one of my ideas. Keep on crafting and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see when I upload more videos, and hit that bell if you want to see when I upload again. Talk to you later and keep on crafting. I'll have another video soon. Bye.